Pet Finder, meet our new friend Jax. Jax is a cutie. He was found running on a highway 3 weeks ago. He was kind of a raggedy mess. He definitely needed the grooming that he got that makes him look like the clean-cut, handsome boy he is. He's some sort of silky terrier mix, very small. I'd say 10 pounds or less. He is kind of an apricot and cream sort of combination. He has been neutered, vaccinated. He is definitely ready to go to the right kind of home. So what would that look like? We know that Jax likes other dogs because the home where he's being fostered has several dogs, big and small, and he's been playing with them off leash for weeks. So we know that. He's not food aggressive. He does like people. He's easy to walk on a leash, but you know, there's no way of knowing where he came from, what kind of life he led. We just know that he's been so well cared for these last 3 weeks. He does play rough with the other dogs, and you know, that's perfectly normal. But we're really looking for a home with kids, you know, really teenagers and up. We think that's the best call for this situation, since we don't really know his background. We just know the last 3 weeks have been going well. And even though he's small, we think he belongs in a house with teenagers and up. So his name is Jax, and he is not in the shelter. To meet Jax, you need to do an application first, and then we would reach out for a phone interview and arrange a meeting with his foster mother, probably here on the grounds at the Clifton Shelter. To ask more questions, oh, we're going to make a number 2. I better hurry up. Okay, so either call 973-470-5936, or you can email cliftondogs1@gmail.com. That's Clifton like the town, DOGS, the number 1, @gmail.com. And again, this is Jax. Thank you for waiting, Jax, until we were done. Thank you. Your mom says you walk in circles when you have to go. So we're going to leave now. Bye-bye, Pet Finder.